Good evening, students. This is our last video for the Unit 6 practice exam. So let's start off strong. Let's read our question. A winch with the mechanical advantage of 6 is pulling a 26,000 Newton excavator up a 9-meter ramp. The ramp rises 2.5 meters above the ground. And our question is A, what is the mechanical advantage of the ramp? B, what is the total mechanical advantage of the ramp and pulley combined? And C, how much force would the winch be required to apply in order to pull the excavator up the ramp? All right, so first things first, we're finding the mechanical advantage of the ramp. And in this case, we do not need this yet. We just need this and this. So D in over D out equals mechanical advantage. I'm sorry, mechanical, not ME, MA. Our D in equals the 9 meters. 9 meters equals D in. And the D out equals 2.5 meters. All right, so D in, 9 meters. D out equals 2.5 meters. We plug it into our equation. 9 meters over 2.5 meters equals, let's see, 9 divided by 2.5 equals 3.6. So that's our mechanical advantage. Now, what is the total mechanical advantage of the ramp and pulley system combined? Well, we have a mechanical advantage of 6, right? And we have a mechanical advantage of 3.6, so we just multiply those together. 3.6 times, what am I doing? Times 6, I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. Times 6 equals 3.6 times 6 equals 21.6. That's our total mechanical advantage. Now, how much force would be required to apply in order to pull the excavator up the ramp? So this is where we take our total mechanical advantage, which equals 21.6, and that equals the force out over the force in. Now, we know what our force out is. Our force out is 26,000 newtons. So, this also equals 26,000 newtons divided by F in equals 21.6. And that's all we have to do is cross multiply. So I'm gonna put that in fractional form. So 26,000 times 1 equals 26,000. And then F in times 21.6. So we end up with 26,000 newtons equals 21.6 times F in. Divide both sides by 21.6. Those cancel, and then we have 26,000 divided by 21.6. We end up with 1,203.7 newtons equals F in. And that's all we got. See, I'm gonna make that a comma so it's easier to see. Not too difficult. All right, that's the end of our video series. I will see you on our final.